Oh, Mr. Khalid, my name's Brendan Mitchell, and I work for Tatweer Company for educational services in the great Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. My specific focus is on English language, both the professional development and the curriculum, and I also work across other areas as well.
Okay, Mr. Brandon, what's your impression about the English conference, last yesterday and today?
Unbelievable in the Gizan province. It really demonstrates the commitment that teachers and supervisors have for English language development in this province, and this is consistent to everything that I've seen over the time that I've been privileged to live and work in the great Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Yeah, Gizan really delivers, really does.
Okay, regarding the topics tackled in the conference and the guests participated, do you find that the topics related to English teaching and learning?
Yes, I do, but it also goes across the curriculum areas because you're looking at the future, and you can see here at this conference there's a lot of talk about the Saudi Vision 2030. So all the teachers, the supervisors know about it, but also the students right down at the elementary level, and we're looking at ways that students can benefit from these skills and what Gizan is doing.
Okay, speaking about the exhibition of the conference, how do you find it?
Oh, here, as you can see where we're standing here, we're standing at the back part of the hall where the exhibition is, and just amazing some of the things that the teachers and supervisors are doing to make the learning and teaching enjoyable, active and engaging for the students is amazing. And one of the other things that I would like to comment on is the integration of the visually impaired students in the kingdom with the Braille and how they've got the Braille printers here. That's something that I'm very interested in and something that I'll be following up on there. I'm really impressed, really very impressed. Oh, I want to stay longer.
Okay, at the end of this interview, Mr. Brandon, we would like to thank you for your valuable time.
Oh, no, you don't have to thank me. I'd like to thank you. I want to thank the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for having me here. I'd like to thank the Gizan province for their warmth, their hospitality, and I've learned a lot here from the teachers as well. And I hope this video that you show more of the exhibitions and not so much of the interviews, because the whole kingdom can learn what's going on here. Yeah, unreal. You can put it on Snapchat too if you want, do whatever you want with it.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.